Hello everyone, welcome to this live session. Uh, this live, in this live, I'm mainly planning to tell about the bundle offer. Right now, I'm offering 14 ebooks and two recorded courses uh, with a huge discount. Okay, so I'll be talking about that one, and then I'll be explaining about my plans for releasing ebooks things. Okay, if you have any questions, you can ask me. Okay, so the bundle, let me first tell about the bundle offer. This is the homepage of QPT, qualitypointtech.com. Okay, here I updated the details. Okay, previously it was mainly focusing on the web development using PHP and MySQL. Now I have decided to switch from web development into AI development. Recently, I worked with various AI projects, including RAG, retrieval augmented generation, and computer vision using YOLO, other things. Okay, creating chatbots, other things. And basically, I'm very much interested in that area, so I decided to fully focus on that thing. Okay, and as part of that plan, as a first step, I have decided to release many ebooks and courses. Okay, but this is not my primary focus. I am planning to develop significant product apart from the working for some other clients projects. I'm planning to create own projects product, something similar to timesheet. Very long back in the year 2009 we created timesheet application, right? But that time we missed to promote that properly. So during this 15 years time period, we gained a lot of experience in doing promotion. Okay, now I could promote it properly. So with that background, I have decided to focus more on AI. So as a first step, I'll be just creating ebooks and courses related to AI, and then as a next step, I'll be taking some kind of one-on-one coaching or group batch coaching related to AI related stuff. But as I said, all are like a short-term plan. But the actual plan is once after gaining all the record information, I am planning to create some kind of AI product. Okay, that will be very useful for many people. That is what my plan. But let me just to focus on the current thing right now. So right now, my plan is selling this bundle offer. So promoting this bundle offer, that is the primary purpose of this live session. But since I decided to actively develop my company Quality Point Technologies again, I will be fully focusing on this stuff. Okay, it will be very useful from that company development perspective also, because first time when I tried doing web development projects, when I was taking steps to hire PHP developers, it was very difficult task. I need to hire freshers, and then I need to like train them for significant time, then they will be leaving. So that created a lot of issues. Like I found it difficult to run the project smoothly. Okay, I need to put a lot of efforts, spend personally I need to spend a lot of time. Okay, and from that perspective, I would like to adopt a new kind of approach. So in that approach, like I'll be like taking trainings, one-on-one coach something. From that process, I'll be shortlisting the people who will be suitable for working with me in the future. Okay, that is what my plan. But as I said, it is limited time plan, but my primary focus is creating some kind of AI application. I'm just exploring various things. For example, few months back, I registered this domain getwellness.shop because many people are telling that the wellness industry will be booming in the coming days. Okay, So in that perspective, I thought this domain name will be worthy, and I just thought of registering the domain and then sell it to the people who are already in the wellness industry for profit, like that I was thinking. But right now, I'm just exploring options of using this domain effectively by launching some AI applications here. For example, I'm just very initial stuff. I would like to put some chatbot kind of stuff here so that people can chat with that chatbot, AI-based chatbot. Okay, and it can be any kind of chatting, a general thing related to health. Okay, just a wellness kind of technologies like that. Okay, so in that perspective, I'm exploring various AI models. Okay, so it should be cost effective, right? So in case right now, if I'm using OpenAI's API, I can easily develop and it will be more effective. But if more number of people are going to use it, then I need to pay more for the API access. In that case, I need to charge the visitors, right? That won't be a feasible model. Okay, so I'm just exploring various things. Okay, suppose if I'm getting some good models, free models, AI models, then I can think about developing my idea further. So basically, it will be a AI chatbot. People can interestingly chat with that, mostly related to wellness, health, fitness, that kind of information. And while doing the chat, that chatbot should be able to recommend some relevant products. Okay, my priority is giving relevant products instead of having some products and pushing that like advertisements. Instead of doing that, really it should recommend that actually needed by that person. Okay, in that case, I can connect with various wellness product stores. I'm just exploring various options. One is directly connecting with Amazon and then picking the products and earning money from affiliate things, or I can just handpick some suppliers, wellness product suppliers, and then I can have some deals with them. That is another approach. But basically, with the help of AI, it should be very engaging with the visitor, and it should be giving useful information to them. So it will be attracting more people, and in the process, I can recommend products to them. Okay, so based on that recommendation, I can earn money as a commission, affiliate commission, whatever way. Okay, that is one way. And apart from that, I can put some solid usual e-commerce also, right? That I'm just exploring various things. Okay, so since it is related to wellness, the accuracy and reliability of the information should be high, right? So for that, I'm just exploring implementing RAG. Okay, so instead of fully depending on the LLMs, I'm planning to have my own set of information handpicked by experts in that field, and I'll be keeping it in knowledge storage somewhere like PDF or database, and I'll be keeping it in vector database, right? So in that case, I will be able to increase the reliability of that chatbot, right? So that is one thing. So what I'm trying to say is my long-term goal is something similar to this one, creating some a sustainable business model powered by AI. Okay, but for that I need to gain experience personally, and I need to get contact with people interested in that kind of technologies, right? Because if I'm working on that kind of projects, maybe I will be requiring more number of team members, right? So instead of hiring full-time members, I can explore various kind of options. Okay, so for that I need to get contact with a lot of people in that field. So I believe this approach, selling ebooks and recorded courses, like online coaching and one-on-one coaching, that kind of steps will be useful. Like I'm just thinking that they are all prerequisite for launching my AI business. Okay, so as part of that plan, right now I'm just selling 14 ebooks and 2 recorded courses. I'm selling it from various places. Okay, primarily I'm selling from this Gumroad based website, rajamanikam.com. It is Gumroad based website. Okay, so here you can find these 14 ebooks and 2 courses. Okay, so for writing these 14 ebooks, I put significant effort and time for coming up with these ebooks. Okay, so some of the ebooks I personally written word by word. For example, this software testing ebook. Actually, I created it long back in the year 2009. That time, okay, but still many people are interested in buying that ebook from Amazon. So I thought of including that book also in the bundle offer. Okay, and similarly, earning money from YouTube. That also I personally written for sharing my personal experience. Okay, and for this ebook, Dream Big, Move Forward, this motivational book, I like some chapters I used ChatGPT and Gemini for creating some chapters, but most of the chapters I personally written them. But I improved many chapters, even if I personally spent time for coming up with that kind of chapters. Finally, I used ChatGPT or Gemini for improving the writing style. Okay. So other books, this Snowflake, other things, like the primary chapters, I used ChatGPT for writing them. But apart from that primary chapters, I added a lot of things based on my experience. I was working with Snowflake project. So based on that experience, I shared something. Okay. This one, Unlocking AI Simple Guide for Beginners. Primarily, I used DeepSeek for writing this ebook, but manually I started writing this book. But once after exploring DeepSeek, I thought that DeepSeek version is much more better than my own version. So I selected that version. Okay. This RAG, it's a very important developing field. Okay, right now almost everyone is using ChatGPT and Gemini, like LLMs, right? Large language models, but they have many issues like hallucination issues. Okay, and like they won't be having latest information. That kind of issues are there. Okay, so to handle that kind of issues, I thought of focusing on the RAG, because it's a growing field, like a lot of developments happening with that. Okay, so I'll be explaining that, okay, in detail. In fact, I am planning to create one separate video for explaining RAG. Okay, so basically it is like solving the inherent issues related to LLMs. Okay, this one also, the power up, this thing, though I primarily used ChatGPT for writing the first few sections, then later on I added a lot of like question and answer, that kind of format. I added my personal experience in learning that Power App and SharePoint Power Automate. Okay, I believe it will be very useful for the beginners. Okay, so this one all useful RAG. And so if you want to see the details about this ebook chapters, you can just click it. But for buying that, use this page. Okay, if you are going to buy it individually, then the total price will be high. It will be coming something like $62, right? Okay, but if you buy it as a bundle, it is $15. But purchasing power parity, that option is enabled. Purchasing power parity option is enabled. Okay, so in India it is just $6. Okay, it will vary based on the country, but the base price is $15. Okay, but right now I will be changing it again. Okay, initially I started with $8. Now I set it as a $15, but again it is a limited time offer only. Okay, so if you want to use this offer, use it as soon as possible. And another thing is, I'm just giving additional discount code also. If you use the discount code QPT, you can get further discount. But in case of India, that here it's already discounted by 60%, right? So in that case it won't work. For others it may work. Okay, that will give around 50% discount. Okay, but I will be changing it dynamically. As of now it is 50%. Okay, so this ebook I created 1 year back, but many things got changed, but still it's having a lot of useful information. That's why I included it in this bundle. It is a very new course. Okay, so just a few days back only I released this course. It is having a lot of useful videos, and even I included a lot of sample coding, other things. Okay, so that course will be useful for anyone who is interested in knowing about AI as well as becoming a developer. Okay, but I just released with like around 2 hours of video and a few ebooks and a few sample codings. But my plan is I'll be enhancing it further by uploading a lot of new videos and a lot of new information. Especially, I'm planning to add a lot of sample codings. Okay. Instead of just putting the code, I'm just trying to find the best version of the code, and then finally I will update it. So I'm just in the process of coming up with new videos and new content, basically. Okay, so this is my primary focus of promotion. So I would say that the main focus is promoting this course, AI for beginners. But instead of just selling that, actually I set it for like $8, right? That Gumroad commission will be significant. Payment gateway commissions, things are there. So instead of just selling it alone, I thought, okay, I can include all the digital products. All are digital products, right? I'm not going to lose anything. So I just included everything, and then I set it as a bundle offer. Okay, that is the primary focus. Primary reason behind this coming up with this bundle offer. But as I said, the primary focus is selling this AI for beginners course. Okay. But if you're my regular YouTube viewer, I think almost I shared all the details in this channel. Okay, so in that case you may not be requiring this course, but if suppose someone else is looking for any kind of course, you can refer this. Okay, so this one 1 year back I released this ebook. Okay, it is just for the purpose of highlighting the ability of ChatGPT and bot. That time it was bot, now Gemini. Okay, but once after creating, the main purpose was highlighting the power of LLMs. But once after creating the ebook, I realized that it will be useful for just for reading, knowing the content, core message of the Bible also. So I just thought of including it still. Okay, but anyway, just it is $0 only. Even if you want to download it freely, you can just click it and you can download it without using this bundle offer. Okay. Similarly, this Ian from web development also $0 only as of now. You can just download it. Okay. This course I created more than 1 year back. Okay. This is audiobook. I created the audiobook of this dream book. Okay, this one also I included here. This emerging technologies for profit. This is the ebook I was focusing primarily 1 year back. Okay, because I put lot of effort in creating this ebook. Okay, based on my experience of running this YouTube channel by uploading thousands of technology innovations related videos. Okay, but currently I find it difficult to find target audience. Okay, in case of SQL ebook, I can find the target audience as people who are interested in learning SQL, right? In case of AI, it's general audience as well as AI developers. So in that case, I can find the target audience for doing promotion and other things. But in case of emerging technologies, I believe it will be useful for everyone, but people will not be interested in learning the new things, right? So I find it difficult to find the target audience for this ebook. One kind of target audience are scientists and researchers, but I don't know whether my ebook will be that much quality. Okay, but anyway, I would say that all these content are prepared based on my YouTube videos which are created by referring research papers and mostly press releases provided by major universities like MIT, Massachusetts Institute of Technology. Okay, that kind of information. Anyway, just I included in the bundle offer, but mostly in the future I will be taking it from this bundle offer, and I will set some higher price like $45 or $50, because similar books are selling in that range only. But I need to put lot of effort to like enhance this ebook further. So once after that I will be doing that, but as of now I just included here. Maybe you can share your feedback for improving it, but the core information will be really useful, okay, for any kind of people, especially for people who want to start business, because starting any kind of business related to emerging technologies will be more easy comparing to starting business with saturated domains. Okay, this is just a collection of motivational quotes. Okay, but for this coming up with this collection also I put lot of effort. Okay, I spent a lot of time, but not only for this book, but for running my website, the course.net, and creating Android app, best motivational quotes app. But a lot of people downloaded that app and got a lot of positive review comments, but I couldn't maintain that app. I need to continuously update it. So it's kind of completely different domain, right? So I just stopped updating it. Okay, so it is from rajamanikam.com, and similarly I'm selling these 14 ebooks from InstaMojo also, but the payment is not at that interface. It seems they have to approve it. I will be giving more details once after getting the details, but my plan is I'm planning to give these 14 ebooks for just 199 rupees in India. Okay, using InstaMojo. Okay, but it is only for ebooks because InstaMojo is not supporting courses. But I believe it will be useful for people in India because the bundle offer it's in dollars, right? So mostly they will be it will work in India, but they have to use credit cards or debit cards, that numbers they have to provide, that kind of stuff. But mostly people in India will be very comfortable in using UPI, GPay kind of payment, right? or net banking, right? So that kind of support we can get it from InstaMojo. Okay, so I will be giving more details about it later once after getting the approval. Okay, and as I explained previously, the AI course is the key focus as of now. Okay, so I am working on to add a lot of new chapters, new content. Okay, it is available as part of this bundle offer. Okay, and you can like get it individually also, and it is available in Skillshare also. Okay, in case of Skillshare, it will be giving 1 month free Skillshare access. Okay, so you can just use that link. Okay, and apart from giving the free access to my course, it will give free access to all the courses available at Skillshare. I'm not much familiar with Skillshare. Maybe you can explore it. Okay, and it is available at Udemy also. Okay, Udemy also it's available. Okay, just uh, added this course at Udemy a few days back only. Okay, and my previous course, like I will check the previous course. This course I added 1 year back. Okay, so actually more than 1,000 people joined, enrolled, but the problem is most of the people joined as part of my free offer. Okay, but later only I came to know that it's not a good practice, because people joined as free, right? They are not active, they are not actively watching the videos. So Udemy is not uh, promoting my videos in this course basically. Okay, so I don't want to do the mistake, that mistake with this new course. So I am not going to give the free offer, but I will be giving discount offer. So people should be having at least some interest in watching the video, right? So I have created discount code. Maybe you can find the link here. Yeah, it is provided with. If it is not provided with discount code, maybe you can try the discount code. So 449, right? I will check. Feb 2025. If you use that, I selected wrong course, right? Old course I selected. 1 second. The code is Feb 2025. So if I apply it, the amount got reduced, right? Okay. But as of now, I'm having like around 2 hours of videos only. But I have plans to upload a lot of videos. Okay. But I just started the promotion so that I can get feedbacks from the people so that I can implement that feedback in the next upcoming videos. Okay. Okay. But this Feb 2025, this coupon code will be applicable for up to like 22nd only. Okay. So only 2 days are there. Suppose if you want to use this offer, you can use before it ends. Okay. Okay, that's all about my ebook and course. And apart from this thing, as I said, it's a first step. And next, I will be taking one-on-one coaching. Okay, so suppose if anyone is interested in learning AI, especially RAG, you can contact me. Okay, and I will explore about taking Snowflake course also. If many people are showing interest, maybe I will schedule some kind of batch. Okay, but as I said, it is not my primary plan. Okay, it's like temporary, like short-term plan only. Then I will be moving on to developing AI products. Okay. And currently I would like to get more feedback about my ebooks and the courses. Okay, so based on the feedbacks, I will be correcting my mistakes in the coming ebooks and courses. I have a lot of plans of creating more ebooks, but mostly it will be around AI only. But anyway, I put a lot of efforts in learning PHP MySQL, right? I did a lot of projects related to that technologies. Maybe I can create some kind of ebook or course for that also. But I understand that demand will be less and the competition will be more in that perspective. But just to share my experience, I may do that, but a very low priority one. But mostly I will be creating courses and ebooks based on the new technologies only. Even I will be spending more time in learning the new things, and then based on that I will be creating the courses, because a new kind of emerging technologies like material science related things, graphene, that and all growing very fast, right? Especially the CRISPR gene editing, that kind of stuff. Okay. But I don't know whether people are aware of those things. Okay. Already people started understanding the power of deep learning, but still there is a huge gap between the science world and the business world related to new technologies like quantum computing, CRISPR gene editing, that kind of stuff, nanotechnology. Okay, but for like commercialization purpose, many people are saying that it is based on nanotechnology like that, but still people are not understanding the full power of new emerging technologies. Maybe I'll be focusing on those things later, because last year I started with those things, but I find it difficult to earn money from that. Okay, so for doing it continuously, I need to find a way of earning money also, right? Otherwise I need to again start taking any kind of projects. Okay, so it will reduce my time for spending in these new initiatives. So to avoid that kind of situation, what I am planning is I need to focus on new technologies. At the same time, I should be able to earn money from that kind of technologies itself, instead of doing separate work for earning money. Okay, so in that perspective, I believe AI will be more suitable. I can earn money by selling course, ebooks, taking classes, other things, and at the same time, I can focus on developing AI products also. Okay. So after doing a lot of analysis, I arrived at this plan. Okay. So I'll already spent a lot of time in learning AI. Okay. That is why I was not able to spend time for this YouTube channel. But since I did some groundworks like creating ebooks and courses, now I will be spending more time for this channel also. Okay. Let me check whether any question is there. Okay. Right now, no questions. Okay, so I'll be stopping this live now. but I noticed that my YouTube channel videos are getting recommended by YouTube. Recently YouTube started recommending my videos, so my channel is growing very fast now. So in that case, in the coming days, I believe more people will be joining the live, because I believe YouTube will be recommending my live to the other people. So in that case, I can actively answer the questions. Okay, so it is just for this live is just for testing the setup, because I am doing it after some gap, right? So that is one purpose, and another is for highlighting this bundle offer. Okay, so maybe in the coming live sessions we can have interactive discussions. Okay, bye, thanks.